Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is ways to reduce global warming. This video is about how we can help to reduce global warming and go green. Students, if we do not take steps to reduce global warming, it will lead to loss of human lives, plants and animals. So our first step should be planting more and more trees. Students, trees absorb carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. We all know that. Students, a single tree absorbs approximately 1 ton of carbon dioxide during its lifetime. It's a big amount. So, if you know how to plant and if you have resources, then start digging from today. Then you should reduce the use of products which generate greenhouse gases. Burning fossil fuels such as natural gas, coal, oil, and petrol raises the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. So we can help to reduce the demand of fossil fuels by using energy more wisely. So first of all, you should drive less or drive smart. Reduce the number of miles you drive by walking or cycling or using public transport. Students, less driving means fewer emissions of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Besides saving gasoline, walking and biking are great source of exercise. Then you should replace a regular or standard light bulb with energy savers or compact fluorescent light bulbs. This will help to conserve energy as these bulbs provide more natural looking light while using far less energy than standard light bulbs. Then buy energy efficient home appliances. Students, home appliances now come in a range of energy efficient models, for example hybrid car or solar panels. So when it is time to choose a new car, choose a more fuel efficient, for example hybrid car. While buying air condition, go for inverter. Along with this, try to use more renewable energy resources, for example solar panel, windmill or wind energy, hydroelectric energy, that is the energy of water stored behind the dams. The advantages of using these energy resources are that there is no danger of them running out. Students, you should also save power by turning off lights when you leave a room, while sleeping at night, or away during the day. The next step is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Whenever you can, replace paper, plastic, newspapers, glass, and aluminium cans. By reducing and recycling, you would reduce the waste generation, which results in less carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere. So let's promise that we will try our level best to reduce global warming. Students, today we have completed chapter number 6, Alhamdulillah. So meet you with the next video of new chapter. Allah Hafiz.